In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete a Monzo referral, so both of you get the bonus. By the end, you'll know exactly what needs to happen in what order and how to avoid the common pitfalls that can stop the bonus from triggering. It all starts with your friend tapping your unique referral link. This first tap is crucial because it's what connects their new account to your invite. If they sign up any other way, the system can't track the referral and neither of you will receive the reward. Have them open the link on the same device they plan to use for the app and make sure it fully loads before moving on. After tapping the link, your friend will be prompted to enter their mobile number, download the app, and complete the sign up. All of this needs to be done within 30 days of using the link. Encourage them to do it straight away to avoid missing the deadline. During sign up, the app will guide them through standard checks and setting up their account. Keeping notifications on and having a stable internet connection can make this smoother. Next, they'll receive a physical card by post. When it arrives, they must activate it in the app. The app will show clear on-screen instructions for activation, typically taking just a minute. This activation is essential. Without it, the next part won't count. Once the card is activated, your friend must make a card payment within 30 days. Any amount works, so a small everyday purchase is perfect. A card payment means paying with the physical card in-store or using the card details online. It's different from sending a bank transfer or taking out cash, which won't satisfy this requirement. If a payment doesn't go through, trying another merchant or an in-person tap can help. After those steps are done, starting from your link, completing sign-up within 30 days, activating the physical card, and making a card payment within 30 days, the referral bonus is triggered for both you and your friend. It may take a short time to appear, so don't worry if it's not instant. Keep the app updated and check your feed for confirmation. If anything seems off, double check that your friend began with your referral link and finished everything within the time frame. Opening the link in a standard browser and avoiding private mode can improve tracking. Follow these steps exactly and you'll both enjoy the reward without a hitch.